Hey, it's your boy Crypto Expat back with another video. This one's about ZILLIQA staking in the Atomic wallet. The Atomic wallet just did an update and now you can actually stake it within the Atomic wallet. It just makes it an easier process. I did get a comment from a viewer and they said, excellent review. ZILLIQA is now staking on the Atomic wallet. Can you make a video on how to stake on Atomic wallet? Yes, I'll do that now. Now, previously, you would just have to go to stake.zilliqa.com. I made a video about this on how to do that, and you can watch this video, which is this video here. So normally you would have to get the ZIL pay, sign in, just like you would do, very similar to MetaMask, and then just stake your coins, delegate your coins to one of these guys that are running a ZILLIQA node, and then you're off to the races. However, what Atomic is, see this Atomic wallet, see how they've got their own node, they're running on their own node. Now, because they're running their own node, they've just made it like automatically integrated into their wallet. So if you're not sure of Atomic wallet, this is Atomic wallet here, you can just get them at atomicwallet.io. It's very similar to Exodus. If you've used Exodus in the past, it's a desktop wallet, okay? And with this, you can actually access your private keys within the wallet, and you can. It's a pretty nice wallet. So I'm not going to go too much into this in this video, but you can read more about it. You can download the Atomic wallet at atomicwallet.io. So once you've got the Atomic wallet, what you want to do is you want to come here and it says staking. So scroll down the left hand side when you come to staking, and then you'll simply see this ZILLIQA here, which they've just recently added, which is yielding 25% per year, which is very generous. And then you can just click on this, and then all you do is you just go stake, and then obviously you would have your ZILLIQA in your wallet. So obviously you'd have to go wallet, scroll down and find ZILLIQA, or just come up here in the search and put ZIL. Okay, once you find that, then you will just send your ZILLIQA here, okay, and then you're good to go. So ZILLIQA have their own blockchain, okay, they're not an ERC20 token. So when you buy ZILLIQA, wherever you're buying it, it'll all work out, okay? So I just want to let you guys know that some people think it's a ERC20, but it's not. So once you send your ZILLIQA here, it'll show on your account, in your balance, and then you go to staking. Then you click on ZILLIQA, and then you just go stake. You put the amount, whatever the amount is, and then you can just go stake this, or you can go stake all, okay? And once you do that, you'll see like your rewards pop up here. And what you do is you click this claim the rewards, and once you claim them, you're just basically taking them from this staking node, this node that their node that they're staking, which is their Atomic wallet node. Then you're just pulling it from here, putting it into your wallet, and then you want to restake it, okay? So this process is not automated. It's not automated here as well anyway, okay? You have to just basically use this, do it manually, even when you use ZIL Pay. I'm not 100% sure, but don't quote me on this. I don't know the fees. I imagine there would be fees. It would be good if they didn't have fees, but I imagine once you say you've got some staking rewards and you claim it, you have to pay some gas. It's about 1.5 ZILLIQA. It's not a lot. Then once it goes in your account, and then once you stake it again, you have to pay some more gas. Obviously, you've got quite a bit of rewards if you're going to stake it and claim it and then stake it. So essentially by claiming it and then staking it, then the rewards, you're essentially compounding it. Okay, that's basic, but there's no auto function. Okay, that's pretty much what this wallet does. It just kind of using their atomic wallet node. Okay, it is easier. I mean, it's just doing it within the wallet. So if you're already using atomic wallet, okay, for your different coins, and it is a pretty decent wallet, you can it just makes the process a lot easier and simpler. That's all it is. I use just the ZIL Pay, but it's just another option anyway. Okay, guys. So that's how you do it. I didn't actually show you how to do it, but it's pretty self-explanatory, right? You guys can be able to figure it out. So that's another option there. Atomic Wallet. Just go to atomicwallet.io, download it, create your account, and the thing about this is, like, there's no KYC or anything. It's a decentralized application, which is pretty good as well. And you can also export all your private keys for this wallet. So for example, if you've got Bitcoin here, you can actually go into the settings and get your private keys. If I click private keys here, click your password and then click on the coin, and it'll show your private keys. Okay, so that's one advantage of this. You're in full control of this. Alright guys, so that's my review on the Atomic Wallet staking feature for ZILLIQA. Pretty self-explanatory. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.